All right, guys, today we're working on the Subaru again in the workshop weekend thing I've been doing. Last time, put in strut tire braces, did the vacuum system, and then did a strut tire brace in the rear. I've been doing a lot of work. Now it's time for some headlights. Let's take a look. So we're going to take this one out here. We're going to put this new one in. So this one's going out right here. This one's going in. And I think this is the new turn light signal right in here. This will flash. But other than that, it's a pretty much OEM light configuration. It just doesn't have this little clearance light there. So I'm going to start with this one over here. It looks like there's this two little clips you pull and one screw. And we should be able to get this all taken care of. So let's go ahead and get going. That was pretty straightforward, simple. Got it in. The only thing I'm not liking right now is this fitment right here, and I don't know how to adjust that. Should be a little bit flusher. I'm going to take it apart again. See how there's I don't know if you can see it, but right here there's a big gap. I think it's on the bottom part that's not letting it sit, or I don't know. So I gotta start looking into that and figuring out, or do I just want to not screw with it? I mean, like right here, this is already falling off. So do I really? Should I wait to address this when I do the body work? I don't know. Is it worth killing yourself over trying to get it done? I also learned that the headlights will not turn on unless the car is running. So, all right, I'm going to take the other side off, get them all set up and set in, and then we'll have to wait till nightfall to, to get them kind of aimed. So, all right, let's keep going. Okay, as you saw in the time lapse, I got the lights all put in and stuff, and this is what we got. And here you go. They're all installed. The thing that I find interesting is this light, it only lights up, or the halo lights up when these lights light up. I thought they would light up like differently, but I didn't really know what to expect. I just like how they look better. But while I was in there, I couldn't resist it. My horns don't work. So one of the things you saw me in that video doing is I rewired the horns. So that way they'll work now. And I went with the loud Super Blaster horns. But yeah. Alright guys, my microphone went dead, so hopefully the audio is not too bad. But it's nighttime and I've been out adjusting the lights, which aren't real difficult. I had them pretty well set up the way I'd eyed it, but I wanted to give you a look at what we've got going on here. See, it has the halo here. It's so bright you can't really see it, but this halo light works pretty good. But let's see, the way they adjust it real well. And so what I do is I put a line on the garage and kind of just level them, and then I go out and drive a little bit, see how they land on other cars. Kind of don't want it up in their windshield. You can kind of see the line, and they're pretty much right below the windows, like when you go across. So like if you have a line right here on the side of the car, you kind of want a line to go across here with your headlights. And then what's really important is like right here, you want it to kind of go across here on it when it falls on another car. That way when you come up on a car, when you're close on them, the lights aren't in their windows. And if it's kind of across the bottom of the trunk lids on standard cars, you know it's not in their face unless the brights are on. It's kind of how I aim them. So like the new lights, they work real well. So far the car's been running really good since I did the PCV valves. I've been very happy with what we got going on. So thanks for watching the video.